Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find display and brightness. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again in order to find the auto screen off option, which as you can see should be in this section under the auto rotate. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now I've got a 30 seconds option applied. As you can see, it is marked, and all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option we'd like to use right now. So let me pick, for example, 10 minutes, and as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again because it is notified right here that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Realme GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.